Have you ever felt like your body is a clock and someone just sped up the hands? In my clinical experience, many patients walk into my office feeling a slow, insidious decline. They talk about a loss of vitality, fading memory, and physical functions that we often just shrug off as getting older. We've been told to accept frailty and cognitive decline as inevitable. But what if that's not the whole story? The evidence points to a new way of looking at our years. This isn't just about living longer, it's about staying younger while we do it. To understand this shift, we have to look at our core biology. For decades, we believed aging was caused by random genetic mutations, like scratches on a disc. But research indicates a different framework. The information theory of aging suggests that our DNA stays intact, but our cells simply lose the ability to read the instructions. It's like a software corruption, and we're finally learning how to reboot the system. This brings us to the most seductive idea in modern science, the possibility of reversing the clock. Think of your epigenome as the conductor of an orchestra. When we're young, the music is perfect. As we age, the conductor gets tired and the notes become chaotic. The research by Sinclair focuses on specialized proteins called sirtuins. These molecules act like cellular guardians. They regulate the HPA axis and maintain our diurnal rhythm, ensuring our bodies know when to repair and when to grow. In the lab, molecules like NMN and Resveratrol were thought to be the fuel for these guardians. The hypothesis was simple. If we provide more NAD, we give the sirtuins the energy they need to repair the epigenome. It's like polishing a scratched CD so the laser can read the music again. Studies suggest that when sirtuins are active, they move to sites of DNA damage and coordinate a massive repair effort. This process is essential for maintaining cellular identity. Without it, the skin cell might start to lose its way, acting more like a confused neighbor than a functional part of your body. This loss of information is what we perceive as aging. Many of my patients find this concept empowering because it shifts aging from a fate to a technical challenge. However, the mechanism is incredibly complex. It involves the way our DNA is packaged into chromatin. If the packaging is too tight, the cell can't breathe. If it's too loose, the wrong genes get turned on. We are looking for the perfect balance. While the early mouse studies were breathtaking, showing hair regrowth and increased endurance, the leap to humans is a massive one. We have to ask if these pathways work the same way in a person as they do in a petri dish. The science is beautiful, but in medicine, beauty must be verified by cold, hard facts.
If you're enjoying this, subscribe.
In the world of medicine, an elegant theory is only a starting point. To truly validate these claims, we look to the Interventions Testing Program, known as the ITP. This is the gold standard of longevity research. It's a multi-site, rigorous study designed to see what actually works in a living, breathing subject. When we look at the data for Resveratrol, the results were surprisingly quiet. Despite the massive hype, the ITP found it did not significantly extend lifespan in mice. This created a major rift in the scientific community. On one side, we have the excitement of the lab, and on the other, the sobering reality of clinical trials. We also have to look at NMN and NR. While some human trials show an increase in NAD levels, the direct link to a longer life remains unproven. In my view, it's a cautionary tale about the gap between a headline and a peer-reviewed result. We must also consider the SIRT5 study, which failed to replicate some of those early, famous findings. This doesn't mean the research is a waste, far from it. It means science is doing exactly what it's supposed to do. It's correcting itself. We've learned that biology is rarely as simple as taking a single pill to fix a complex problem. The evidence indicates that while we've identified the right players, we might not have the full playbook yet. It's vital to remain skeptical of any protocol that promises a fountain of youth without long-term data. As always, you should talk to your healthcare provider before considering any new supplement, as the interactions with your unique biology are unpredictable. If Resveratrol failed the test, what actually worked? The data points to compounds like rapamycin and acarbose. These aren't flashy, but they consistently show promise in the lab. This is for educational purposes, not medical advice. Always consult your physician before changing your health routine. Aging isn't a disease to be cured, but a story to be written. Make yours a masterpiece that's worth the read.
If you found this helpful, subscribe to Dr. Sanchez LM and hit that notification bell. Together, we make health